Bitcoin and crypto prices have a huge downturn over the last week, and yesterday we saw quite a sharp drop. In yesterday's video, I said there was no significant news or reason why this drop occurred. We're going to get into some of the news that has surfaced and just have a quick look at the market. Good morning, everybody. Okay, so it has come to light and it has been reported all over that there is a Chinese Ponzi scheme called Plus token that has been dumping $3.5 billion onto the marketplace through big exchanges in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some other tokens. Now, I know this headline says 3 billion, but other sources have led me to believe that it's 3.5 billion, and they are dumping these on Binance, Bittrex, and some other big exchanges. Now, when you have people that are under pressure and are happy to sell or just exit their crypto position, they don't care what price they get, this will have a very negative effect on the market and is probably what we have seen and is a major cause as to why the market has taken such a rapid dip. Now, before I say that, let me just qualify that markets are erratic and this is not the end all and be all reason for the market dip. Markets just sometimes dip because that's exactly what markets do. But this might give some clarity as to what is happening in the marketplace. Let's have a quick look and see what is actually going on. In Altcoin Trader, we've got Bitcoin at 165,000 Rand per coin. 165,000 Rand per coin. If you sold yesterday, you're probably not feeling that great because, as you can see, there has been a significant retracement and we have gone upwards. So I hope you guys did just hold your position. We're not sure what will happen in the future, but we are hopeful. Let's look at coin market cap. We've got Bitcoin that has recovered slightly back above the $10,000 mark. We've got Ethereum also recovered slightly. Ripple and XRP are having some issues. They are actually a bit down, but the general market looks to have stabilized and we are not sure what the weekend could bring us. Anything could happen, guys. The Ponzi scheme, which is happening in China, not very well known to the rest of the world. It was sort of isolated to China and, you know, breaking news has come out. A lot of people have seen those coins being dumped and have not realized why, but now we know. Let's just have a look at the technicals on TradingView. TradingView are still suggesting that you sell your crypto. Once again, guys, I do not fully agree with that. At this stage, I would probably just hold my crypto, or I would probably even start buying a little bit of crypto. You know, I believe in rand cost averaging, so at the end of the month, I'll be picking up a couple of Satoshis. And the fear and greed index, we can see it has, it's a little bit less than yesterday. Yesterday, people were extremely fearful, or the market was extremely fearful at 13. Today, we're up to a 31, which shows that things are improving. Okay, guys, let's just quickly talk about Ponzi schemes. South Africa is also rampant with Ponzi schemes. There's a lot of things happening. I just want to quickly shoot out a couple of ideas that you need to be aware of to identify if you're involved in a Ponzi scheme. First of all, a Ponzi scheme will always ask you to deposit money so that they can give you huge returns. Another thing that to watch out for, they can always not explain how they're making the money. They normally say they're using a technical trading bot that just makes huge gains in the market, or they have some system that they just can't quite explain, but they promise you huge profits. In addition to that, you'll normally find that they promise between 2.5% a week or sometimes 10% per month return on your money. Now that is unrealistic, guys. Professional people in the financial sector are happy to get 10 to 25% return per annum. So these guys that are promising 10% per month, it's unrealistic, a very big sign of a Ponzi scheme. They always want you to, or not always, but very often they want you to deposit more money so that you can get your funds released. If you ever run into that, where you've got funds in an account and they say no, to release it for whatever reason, you need to deposit additional funds, please be wary, guys. At the end of the day, the only thing that can protect you from a Ponzi scheme, because Ponzi scheme people are very, very clever. They're not idiots. I mean, in China, they had 10 million people involved. Now, it's not easy to fool 10 million people. But if you find yourself in a situation where you are in a Ponzi scheme, remember there's no shame in it. We can all get into situations like that. Your only protection is common sense and to try and get out as quick as possible. Stop depositing money. To put more money in so you can get money out, you're going down a slippery slope. That's it from me, guys. I hope you find these videos insightful. If you like my channel, if you don't like my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I do need some subscribers. I hope you guys all have an awesome weekend. I'm planning to. That's it.